Greetings. My name is Amir Muqri. My matrix number is F25B1540. I will present to you an environmentalist concern on UMK's part of Sungai Lancang. So, UMK Jeli is a higher education institute located in Jeli district of Kelantan. The campus has been operational since 2006, offering applied science courses in many fields such as agriculture and ecology. Gili is often known for its undisturbed natural landscapes, being situated near the mountainous and densely forested bordered area between Thailand and Malaysia, makes it an attractive destination to visit for many people who are passing by via the Gerik and Gili Highway. Sungai Lancang is a relatively small river or a creek that runs through the campus. The source point has yet to be identified. Using Google Maps, the earliest starting point that I could find is this small stream that exits the dense jungle. It then runs through several plantations and settlements before reaching the campus, before it goes on further to join the Lanas River and ultimately the Golok River. Like many creeks around here, there are certainly fishes in Sungai Lancang. They are mostly winnows like beardless barb or temperas, and silver rasbora, locally known as seluang. The fishes shown here are most likely silver rasbora, a native species of Southeast Asia. They are very common in shallow streams, often swimming in schools near river shores. What I find concerning about the river stems from how barren the riverbanks appear to be. I have started living here since September last year, and recently I noticed the vegetation on the riverbanks to be significantly less dense than before, to the point the areas appear to be barren. I also noticed a storm drain that is discharging foamy water into the river. Regarding the barren riverbanks, I deem the absence of canopy to be detrimental. This is because the shade of the canopy prevents direct sunlight that would increase the water temperature and also increase evaporation, which would be harmful for the aquatic creatures. The reduced amount of trees also carries the risk of soil erosion. According to this study, the purpose of vegetation is to grasp the soil with its roots so that the structure is strong enough to prevent erosion. As a result, if the river banks are exposed directly to rainfall or river water without plant cover, riverbank erosion may occur more easily. In 2018, at Kampung Pasir Parit, the erosion of the riverbank has had a substantial impact on the local human population. The effects of bank erosion on humans include loss of settlement, land loss, trauma, and safety issues. People who reside along the river's edge has been forced to migrate. This shows how dangerous the risk of soil erosion is. As for the foam issue, I was unable to take samples for testing due to several practical reasons. However, the chances of it being some sort of pollution is quite likely. I have done a number of readings and revisions regarding these matters. I have found a good explanation for the foam concern. According to the scientific review, foam is not necessarily associated with pollution. They may still occur naturally in very pristine environments. Defining foam: foam is a dispersion of a gas in a liquid or solid separated by thin liquid films or lamellae. A pure liquid cannot foam unless a surface active material is present. Foam can easily form in rivers due to decaying biological matters that release the needed substance for it to happen. Therefore, foam is not inherently a sign of pollution. It was quite interesting to read. I enjoyed learning how this hazardous and unclean looking phenomenon can actually be perfectly natural. Um, We are prepared. We are nearing the end. I hope my concerns are worth something and not me being a renty person having a monologue. Thank you for watching.